Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Adnan bin Uthman from Crop Disease Management. Student ID 202549X674. The focus of today sharing on Phytophthora palmivera buddroot disease oil palm. For content presentation include introduction, symptom, cause, effect, control, and management. For introduction, Phytophthora palmivera is a disruptive soil-borne omicate that primarily causes root disease in Africa. Palm oil allergenesis as one for the most serious agriculture trait in a tropical plantation is an apical mainstream, the heart of the of the plant causing leaf tissue decay that can eventually lead to tree death. There are three symptoms. First, early symptom, spear leaf lesion and bite-like appearance. Two, advanced symptom, spear collapse. For other, little leaf effect. Final stage for symptom, bud destruction and palm death. Cause and effect. Buddroot is oil palm is primarily caused by the soil-borne omicate Phytophthora palmivera, which affect the palm center meristem part. Meristem heart. This pathogen thrives in high humidity above 80%, high rainfall environment, and spear via water splash. Secondary fungal and bacteria infection often exacerbate the root. First, primary Phytophthora palmivera, and number two, Thealoviapis paradoxa. Contributing factor and pathway: pest damage, high moisture, poor plantation hygiene. Effect: damage buddroot in oil palm primarily cause the pathogen Phytophthora palmivera severely compromises the crown tissue of the plant. Its effect range from mild chlorosis and stunted spear leaf to the later root of the growing point, which completely halt fruit production and cause plant death. First, spear leaf damage. Second, crown root. 3, latent versus not latent outcome. 4, physiological change. Control and management. Buddroot in oil palm caused primarily by the Phytophthora palmivera pathogen and the secondary bacteria is a devastating disease. The decay, the spear, leaf, and apical meristem. Effective management relies on a early detection, surgical removal of infected tissue, target fungicide, antibiotic application, and preventive culture practice. First, early detection and field surveillance. Symptom ID. Watch out for the yellowing and whitening of, the spear leaf or a beaten appears on the tip of a younger leaflet. 2. Monitoring. Routinely inspect young palm and surrounding tree of the head disease spear. Chemical and biological application wood treatment. Cultural preventive management, soil and drainage. Avoid waterlogging. Proper drainage management lower humidity, which is critical of uh, suppressing the Phytophthora polyvera, Phytophthora pathogen. Nutrition maintain robust plant health through aggressive fertilizer program targeting balance nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus. Equipment regularly clean the and the disinfects harvesting, pruning to the avoid mechanical transmission to help farm.